What's up, guys? In today's how-to video, I'll be demonstrating, showing you all step by step on how to effectively tie the world's best and strongest knot known to man. Stay tuned. We're talking about the Palomar knot today, guys. Up until I learned this knot, I had many fish get away. Even the clinch knot wasn't as nice as the Palomar. So we're using just a very vibrant color here. We're just gonna pretend this is the eyelet of your fishing hook, right? So what you're gonna do is put it in through once, go back in, okay? You're gonna form something like this, right? That's the eyelet of your hook. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna come back around and just create a knot like that, right? Boom. Once you have that, all we simply do once we're at this step here is put the hook back through, like kind of pretend like this, you're doing like a backflip, and put this through right here, like this. And then what we're gonna do is cinch the line, and boom. That's your Palomar knot. Most powerful knot. I've never ever broken off a fish from my knot. Now probably from the bottom where the line is jeopardized, right? But never from here will your knot ever come loose. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, because I have many more how-tos. If you like outdoors, you like nature, you like fishing, you like to fix things, check out the rest of my videos. You'll be glad you did. Peace out.